5 most powerful fighter jets in the world. No. 5. The F-22 Raptor. Why it's the best. Unmatched stealth, thrust-vectoring engines, super cruise, and the ability to dominate in a dogfight. All the F-22 needs is clear air and a target. And in this 60-second action video, it's got both. Watch as the Raptor vanishes from the enemy radar screen, then strikes with deadly precision. High turns missile Lokans, aerial supremacy. This jet does it all, and it does it in style. And don't forget to stick around for the end, because we have a special treat for you. A chance to see the Raptor up close and personal. For KR comeback like you won't find anywhere else. Number 4, the F-35 Lightning II. Why it's the best. Multi-role capabilities, AI-powered systems, vertical takeoff with the F-35B, and global deployment. In our action video, we see the F-35E launch from a carrier in vertical mode, and then go on to perform a stealth attack simulation. We'll experience the mission from the pilot's point of view with a smart helmet view, and watch as the jet dodges. Heat signatures in a minute of pure cinematic glory. Number 3, the Chengdu J-2. Almighty Dragon, China's most advanced 5th-generation stealth fighter. Why it's the best. Long-range missiles and a low radar cross-section make the J-2O a formidable opponent. In our action video, we see the J-20 Mighty Dragon go head-to-head with the F-22 in a tense dogfight over enemy airspace. The J-20 enters the fight undetected and puts on a show with its maneuverability and speed. But can it take down the mighty Raptor? Watch till the end to find out. Number 2, the Sukhoi Su-57 Felan. Why it's the best. Stealth with super maneuverability, 3D thrust, vectoring, and internal weapons. In our action video, we'll see the Su-57 show off its famous super maneuverability in an Arctic combat test. The Russian stealth jet spins, rolls, and dives through the icy skies in a mock dogfight. And missile evasion drill, caught in stunning 4K. No one. The KF-21 Borami, South Korea's emerging 5th-generation stealth fighter. Why it's the best. Sleek, deadly, and modern with multinational tech. In our exclusive action footage, we'll see the Borami for the first time ever firing missiles in a simulated air raid. The KF-21 takes on various enemy targets with deadly accuracy. The Borami shows off its stealth profiles and flybys with unmatched precision. Don't miss this chance to see the future of fighter jets in action. Which fighter jet is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. See you next time.